Hey guys, it's Cher, and today I'm going to be telling you about this really nice 19-piece brush set that I recently bought from e.l.f. Well, actually I got it at Ulta, but it's by the company e.l.f. Long story short, I never clean my brushes. I just continue to get new ones and then never throw my old ones away or clean them in any way, shape, or form. So after 5 years of doing my makeup with the same brushes, which is disgusting, I know, I finally decided to purchase a new makeup brush set. And of course, I'm always on a budget and looking for affordable, cheap products. So I found this e.l.f. brush set at Ulta. It comes with 19 different face and eye brushes, and it was only $50, which might sound like a lot, but really when you take into consideration all of the different types of brushes that comes with it, and the fact that it comes with its own rolled travel case, it's really not hard to justify spending that much money on it. If you're into makeup at all, then you know exactly how expensive brushes can really be. Like, super expensive. I've seen some super expensive brushes and brush sets at stores like Sephora and Ulta, and I just don't have that kind of money to blow on just makeup brushes, you know? The 19 brushes it comes with are the contouring brush, selfie ready foundation brush, flawless face brush, a blending brush, a crease brush, an eyeshadow C-shaped brush, an eyebrow duo brush, a small precision brush, an angled eyeliner brush, a stipple brush, a powder brush, a blush brush, try saying that one 5 times fast, a flawless concealer brush, a fan brush, a highlighting brush, a mascara fan brush, a complexion brush, and a concealer brush. Plus it comes in the little portable travel roller container thing. I don't know what you call that. So obviously you're getting a lot of variety for the cost of the brushes. I actually got to try out some of the eye brushes today when I created this eye look, and if you want to watch me do that, then you can click the card right here. This set really came with some nice precision and defining brushes that really helped me place eyeshadow shades in exactly the areas of my eyes that I wanted them to go, and it also came with some really good eyeshadow blending brushes. I'm just overall very happy with my purchase so far and wanted to tell you guys about it. In case you're on the lookout for an affordable set of brushes, or you're just lazy like me and never clean yours and just need to throw all of them away and start fresh every once in a while. Anyway, that's all. I just wanted to come on here really quick and tell you guys about this e.l.f. brush set because it's affordable, the brushes are decent quality for what you're paying, and it comes with a very nice variety. Plus, the travel roll case doesn't hurt. Like, it makes you feel like a real makeup artist whenever you can just kind of roll all of your brushes together, tie it together, and then stick it in a bag. And then you can just pull it out, like, you know. Makes you feel like a professional MUA. Alright, that's all. Alright, that's all for this video, you guys. I know this was a quick one, but if you liked it and you like me reviewing different makeup products, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you go. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't yet, and go ahead and click the little bell notification if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. If you want to find me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram, then my social media accounts will be linked down below too in the description box, and you can find me on there. Make sure you comment some suggestions of what videos you guys would like to see me film next. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!